All right, right now we're on our way to Grandma Pat's house. She lives in Graysonville, and we are crossing the Chesapeake Bay Bridge right now.
Really tired. I told him he should come with the Como. He's driving up later.
You pull back a little bit. Man, happy Father's Day, happy Father's Day, happy birthday. Thank you. There's all this blue stuff on the shirt. Oh, damn. First of all, what you need to do is you need to watch out for these pretty legs, right?
Yeah.
Hey, good look at this joint, man. It's crazy. It's the new grill, huh? Put in the shade. Let's go in. Oh yeah. Get the shades coming this way. So what's up, man? Man. Where you been, man? You been disconnected? Hell no. We're not even using this though. No. All right. So first of all, tell me what this is. What is this?
These are jumbo 3-part chicken wings that I have marinated in my mama's mix for 8 hours, and then I added a second secret ingredient plus some fresh lemons, and we marinated another 4 hours, and now we're gonna deep fry it outside here.
Oh my goodness! So we got all these wings right here. 1, 2, 3 fat sacks. Okay.
We got about 30 pounds of wings.
30 pounds of wings. And so you have them like this?
Yeah, in a mama's mix, a little extra seasoned salt, and
lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
And then we're gonna batter them like this?
Ingredient.
No, it's okay. Listen, it's okay. Secret ingredient is lemon juice, but
yes,
but it goes.
It has to be fresh lemons. It has to be. You can't. No. It
right.
has to be fresh lemons. Fresh lemons. Fresh lemons. Mama's mix. A little extra seasoned salt. Good to go.
Boom.
Good to go.
I like that. I like that. I like that. And we're gonna deep fry them over here.
And let's call it what it is. Yes, we are.
That's what I'm talking about.
Everybody should be able to do it. Little mama's mix, little seasoned salt, little fresh lemon. That's it. Call it a day. Game over. Drop this fast.
first one. I was the first one to start wearing shirts like this, okay?
No, I wore them all the time. I'm from Arizona.
Oh, that's why. Okay, so they're from Arizona. Is it an Arizona
Yuma,
thing?
Arizona.
Mm-hmm.
This is it.
This is the
White
one.
pants,
What are you looking at?
pink pants,
I think it's a shirt.
pink pants.
With this shirt? This right here is my mom's special fried chicken. Oh my goodness, cannot wait to taste it with some uncle sauce or the butter sauce or, oh my gosh, any sauce really, but it don't even need sauce. It's delicious by itself. Very flavorful, very tasty. Oh yeah. Good job, Mom. Chicken looks great.